Barminco sees this as the next iteration of the electrification of our fleet. We've already done a very short trial with a light vehicle. This is the first of the heavy equipment or ancillary equipment to go on trial, and we see that as just a natural progression of the electrification of our fleet. The new MC605 SmartDrive will be a direct replacement for our MC605D, the diesel unit. We use it for explosives charging operations at all of our underground sites.
Trial's running for 3 months. The first month's going to be predominantly production. Second month and third month, we're looking at incorporating development into the charging cycle as well. Comparing it to the diesel fleet Charmec that we currently have, we're not expecting to see any decrease in output. I can't see any disruption in the mining plan or cycle of what we got going on.
Barminco sees multiple benefits of trialling the SmartDrive on site. There's not only the obvious maintenance benefits and cost benefits from less moving parts and probably primarily a cleaner environment for our operations people with less fumes and less pollutants.
Oh, I'm loving it. It's so weird, there's no noise. Noise is always one of the biggest things when you're working around near the basket and in the basket and trying to talk to someone below you or across from you. It's smooth driving as well. Very smooth driving. One thing is it doesn't keep rolling over when you're going downhill. If you put your foot off the accelerator, then it'll brake on its own.
Yeah, we were pretty excited to be the first in Australia to trial the SmartDrive technology. The machine we used in the trial was the Charmec 605 VE SmartDrive carrier with the Normet Boss emulsion delivery system bolted onto the back end. Some of the feedback I got from our operators with the SmartDrive not generating fume and heat, they felt a lot more refreshed at the end of the day, and they did notice a bit of a difference towards the end of their swing. Not having to work in such a hot environment and eliminating the fumes makes a big difference. The retardation system on the SmartDrive is very efficient. There's no need for an operator to be riding on the brakes, which in turn obviously burns out axles. It's quite a high cost in maintenance to maintain the conventional running gear, but the SmartDrive retardation basically pulls the machine up as you lift your foot off the accelerator, so it's very efficient and very safe. The tramming speed of the SmartDrive is sensational. The tramming speed up on the incline is faster period than a diesel, probably maybe twice as quick, maybe even 3 times as quick, which is very beneficial in turnaround times and reloading the unit to get back and increase production. I think the SmartDrive technology is the next step in underground mining technology. Normet have done a sensational job at designing this new innovative technology, fitting it to a purpose-built carrier that the industry know and trust. And I think moving forward, it's going to have a lot of benefits, not just for the customers, but also the operators and people who use it.